Welcome to our video on the 8 incredible red foods for nerve repair. Your nerves are your body's communication system, constantly sending signals that keep every muscle or tissue functioning smoothly. But when nerve damage occurs, it can make daily tasks difficult to do. Now, what if something as simple as changing the colors on your plate could help? Red foods pack a lot of nutrients that can encourage nerve repair. So, without further ado, let's start our countdown. Starting our countdown at number 8 are strawberries. While you may love its sweet taste, your nerves might have an even bigger reason to celebrate. These little red berries are packed with vitamin C, which plays a key role in collagen production. Collagen is essential for repairing nerve tissues, making strawberries a tasty ally in your fight against nerve damage. This kind of damage can show symptoms like tingling or numbness in your hands or feet, which can be very uncomfortable. Studies also show that pelargonidin, a compound that gives strawberries their bright red color, can help protect brain cells, which may keep your brain healthier for longer and could help prevent damage that leads to brain problems. Moreover, they're also rich in antioxidants, which help stop oxidative stress in your body. This is important because oxidative stress can damage nerve cells and worsen nerve problems. Enjoy strawberries by adding them to your morning smoothie or tossing them into your oatmeal for a burst of flavor and color. For a treat, try dipping them in dark chocolate. You'll get the nerve-boosting benefits of strawberries, plus the antioxidants from the chocolate. But while strawberries are a great addition to a nerve-healthy diet, they're just one piece of the puzzle. A balanced diet with a variety of nutrients is the key to a healthy nervous system. Next up at number 7 are cherries. While strawberries offer daytime support for your nerves, cherries work their magic at night. Have you ever considered that a night of better sleep can lead to healthier nerves? Cherries are packed with special nutrients that can help your nerves and improve your sleep. This fruit not only tastes good, but also helps you feel better while you rest. One of the unique things about cherries is that they contain melatonin. Melatonin is a natural substance that helps regulate your sleep cycles. When you eat cherries, you're giving your body extra melatonin, which can help you sleep better. And when you sleep better, your body has more time to repair and heal your nerves. To add cherries to your diet, eat them as a snack before bed to help you sleep better. Or if you like to bake, try adding cherries to your muffins or pancakes. Every time you eat cherries, you're giving your nerves a little extra help. Additionally, a study from IMCJ found that drinking tart cherry juice for 2 weeks helped most people with non-diabetic peripheral neuropathy ease their nerve pain. Remember, getting enough sleep is important for your overall health, including your nerve health. By eating cherries, you're helping your body in 2 ways: better sleep and healthier nerves. Coming in at number 6 are raspberries. These tiny berries can help if you've been feeling weakness or loss of sensation in your hands or feet. But what makes raspberries special? It's all about their unique mix of vitamin C and E. These vitamins team up to create a protective shield for your nerves. Vitamin E is especially important for your nerves. It helps keep the membranes of your nerve cells strong and healthy. This means your nerves can send signals better, helping you feel and move more easily. A study in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences found that raspberries contain ellagic acid. This compound acts like a cleaner by removing harmful molecules called free radicals that can damage brain cells. Add more raspberries to your meals by adding them to your morning cereal or a sweet start to your day. You can also toss them into yogurt for a burst of flavor. By adding these little red berries to your diet, you're not just enjoying a delicious low-calorie snack, you're also helping your nervous system stay healthy and work at its best. At number 5, we have red grapes. Red grapes are full of polyphenols called resveratrol, a compound that helps improve blood flow in your body. Why is this important? Well, good blood flow is crucial for repairing your nerves. When your blood flows better, more oxygen and nutrients are being delivered to your nerves. Good blood flow will make your nerve cells stronger and function better. This is especially helpful if you've been feeling numbness or tingling in your hands or feet. A study from the journal Neuroscience Letters found that resveratrol has special protective benefits for the brain and can improve how well they work even after a brain injury. But that's not all red grapes can do. Just like strawberries, they're also packed with antioxidants, so they can fight off free radicals that can damage your nerves. You can snack on red grapes or add them to your salads to enjoy their nerve-protecting benefits. Even a small bunch of grapes every day can make a big difference in your nerve health. While red grapes offer a lot of benefits, eating a variety of fruits and vegetables is still important. Adding red grapes to your meals can be a simple and tasty way to give your nerves some extra protection. Next up at number 4 is watermelon. This red giant is not just good for picnics, but it's a powerful ally for your nerves all year round. It is a hydrating fruit that is more than just a summer treat. So why is watermelon good for your nerves? It's all about hydration and vitamins. Your nerves need water to work well, and watermelon is full of it. When you eat watermelon, you're helping your nerves stay healthy by keeping them hydrated. Moreover, watermelon is rich in vitamins A, C, and B6. These vitamins help your nerves communicate with each other better. Vitamin B6 is especially important. It helps make chemicals that your nerves use to send messages. When you have enough B6, your nerves can work together to give correct information to your whole body system. This means you might feel less tingling or numbness in your hands and feet. Now, let's talk about lycopene. This is a compound that's responsible for giving watermelon its red color. It protects your nerve cells from damage and helps reduce swelling. There are many ways to enjoy watermelon. You can try watermelon juice mixed with other fruits, include it in a fruit salad, or blend it into a cool drink. Every time you eat watermelon, you're one step closer in protecting your nerves. So make sure to add this fruit to your daily routine, especially when you are experiencing nerve pain. Coming in at number 3 are cranberries. These little fruits are more than just an ingredient for making sauce or a remedy for urinary tract infections. They're packed with nutrients that can help your nerves be healthy and strong. Cranberries are great for your nerves because of their rich polyphenol content. And not only that, cranberries also contain resveratrol, which is important for your nerve health. Studies found that in an experiment involving living animals, giving resveratrol every day helped improve movement problems caused by a nerve injury in the leg. After just 10 days of treatment, the animals showed less trouble with movement, suggesting that resveratrol can help nerves heal and function better after being injured. In addition, resveratrol also lowers swelling and irritation in tissues, protects cells from dying when they are under stress, and supports the body's defenses to help fight off illnesses. When your body is running smoothly, your nerves are happier too. Adding cranberries to your diet is easy. You can enjoy fresh cranberries when they're in season, or use dried cranberries all year round. Cranberry juice is another great option, but be sure to choose unsweetened varieties to avoid extra sugar. At number 2, we have pomegranates. From cool summer treats, we turn to a fruit with a royal history. Did you know that a fruit once reserved for kings could now be your nerve's best friend? Pomegranates, often called jewels of the fruit world, are packed with nutrients that can help protect and repair your nerves. Pomegranates are rich in potassium, a mineral that helps your nerves send signals. Think of potassium as the messenger that helps your nerves talk to each other. When your nerves can communicate well, your muscles work better too. Additionally, just like strawberries, they also contain vitamin C, which promotes collagen production. By increasing your collagen levels, you are giving your nerves a protective coat for them to stay healthy. A study from the journal Frontiers highlighted that pomegranates might even help with people with diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. The special compounds in pomegranates fight oxidative stress, which is good for your brain and nerves. To include pomegranate in your daily routine, try adding them to your morning smoothie for a tasty boost, or if you're in a hurry, you can drink pomegranate juice. Pomegranates regularly can help keep your whole body healthy, not just your nerves. They're full of antioxidants that fight harmful molecules in your body, which is great for your overall health. Finally, at number 1, we have apples. They contain a powerful compound called quercetin, which can manage your nerve pain and inflammation. This is particularly helpful for people dealing with cancer treatments. Studies show that it can reduce the discomfort caused by a drug called oxaliplatin, which is used to treat cancer but can harm nerves. Quercetin also acts as a shield for your nerve cells, protecting them from damage. It helps reduce swelling in your body, which can ease nerve pain. Think of quercetin as a gentle but strong defender of your nervous system. To add apples to your diet, they can be eaten raw as a snack, sliced as an additional topping for your salads, or blended into a smoothie. Each time you munch on an apple, you're giving your nerves a boost of protection. Here's an interesting fact. Most people in the US get about 15 to 16 milligrams of quercetin each day, and apples are one of the most popular sources. And there you have it. We've explored 8 incredible red foods for nerve repair. Strawberries, cherries, raspberries, red grapes, watermelon, cranberries, pomegranates, and apples. Which of these red foods are you excited to try for nerve repair? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and helpful tips. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest health tips and information. Also, if you found value in this video, please consider sending us a super thanks. Your support helps us create more informative content for you. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and take care.